Just a reminder to stay tuned later in the telecast for your Chevrolet moments in Lightning history. First game between the Lightning and Panthers from the Thunderdome, October 9th, 1993. We'll have that for you later on tonight.
This moment in Lightning history is brought to you by the 2013 Chevrolet Equinox, which seats 5 comfortably and offers passengers the most rear seat legroom of any 5-passenger vehicle in its class. Feast your eyes on the Rays Tropicana Field and recall when then known as the Thunderdome, it played host to the largest indoor crowd the NHL has seen. 27,227 to be exact, roaring as Tampa Bay in its second season moved from Expo Hall to the Dome and hosted the expansion Florida Panthers October 9th, 1993. With Beezer in goal, the Panthers would earn the win, but the Sunshine State's 2 teams had made a statement and history. This moment has been brought to you by the 2013 Chevrolet Equinox. Find new road.